Hello friends, welcome back to my channel TechGetter. Before proceeding further in the video, subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will discuss how you can control the computer screen with the help of your phone, or if you want to control a computer from a distance, then how will you do it? With Chrome Remote Desktop, you can remotely connect to your home or work computer and access files or programs anytime, anywhere. You can connect a computer located at a remote location to your computer screen. Download Chrome Remote Desktop. To make a remote connection to your computer, you have to open your Chrome browser and search Chrome Remote Desktop in the search bar. Open the first website that appears on the screen. Click on the download button. You will see a screen asking you to add the extension. Click on the Add to Chrome button. There will be a dialog box in front of you with the help of which you can add the extension to your Chrome. Click on Accept and Install button. Device Setup. Enter your computer name and set a 6-digit PIN and retype it. Now click on Start. Your PC is completely set up. Next, we will open it on the phone. Install Chrome Remote Desktop app. Now it's time to download your mobile device's Chrome Remote Desktop app. Go to your Play Store and install the Chrome Remote Desktop app. You will be signed in on your mobile device with the same email address that is signed in on your PC. Your computer name will be shown on your mobile. Tap on the computer and input the PIN that has been set on the computer. Now you can access your computer screen remotely from your phone. You will get mouse and keyboard functionality at the top of the screen with the help of which you will control your computer screen. Don't forget to like and share the video. We will keep bringing more such trick videos for you. Thanks for watching the video. Have a good day.